Dear students, try to solve this. Since you are already prepared for your first preparatory, try to solve this before me. Okay, and check whether you can get the correct proof. Here, coming to here, first one, sec theta minus tan theta bracket square equal to 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus sin theta we need to prove. Okay, let us start with LHS. Okay, if you start with the LHS, what is there? Sec theta minus tan theta, right? Bracket square. Now we can, here we need to get this in terms of sin theta. So let us express this sec theta in terms of cos theta. So cos theta, this can be written as sin theta. Tan theta can be expressed as sin theta by cos theta, right? Cos theta bracket square. Now coming to here, take LCM and simplify. Cos theta, right? What do we get here? Cos theta. Here 1 minus sin theta. This is whole square now, right? Now split the squares now. This becomes 1 minus sin theta bracket square, okay, divided by here cos square theta, right? After splitting that square. Now again if you simplify, here this can be written as 1 minus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta. The reason is here a minus b bracket squares means a minus b into a minus b, right? Coming to down here, cos square theta can be written as 1 minus sin square theta, right? So what can be done here? 1 minus sin theta, right? This is 1 minus sin theta, okay? 1 minus sin theta. Down, taking here 1 minus sin square theta can be written as 1 plus sin theta, right? Into 1 minus sin theta, because a square minus b square means what? A plus b into a minus b, right? So here these will get cancelled. What remains finally? 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus sin theta remains, right? Hence RHS is proved, right? So this is how we can prove. This is one. Now let us go ahead with second one. Try to solve before I solve here. Now coming to here, let us take this with LHS. Okay, LHS, what it is given? Sin A divided by 1 plus cos A, right? 1 plus cos A divided by sin A. You need to confirm are you completely prepared or not. Now let us take LCM. LCM will be what? This into this, right? These are different terms, so you just multiply them. Sin A into 1 plus cos A, right? Now here 1 plus cos A into what you have to multiply? Into sin A, right? So what this becomes? Sin A into sin A, sin square A we are getting, right? Plus sin A into what? You multiply to get this total. Sin A into 1 plus cos A, right? 1 plus cos A you need to multiply with this. So this becomes 1 plus cos A bracket square, right? Now let us go ahead with this simplification. Sin square A, let me write as it is. Sin square A, this can be split as 1 plus cos A bracket square means what? It can be written as 1 plus cos square A, okay, plus 2 cos A. How we are splitting this? Very simple. A plus b bracket square, a square plus b square plus 2ab, right? So in that form, this becomes sin A into 1 plus cos A, right? Now coming to here, sin square A plus cos square A means what? It is equal to 1 or not? So that is why 1 plus 1 is there, one more, 1 plus 2 cos A, right? Divided by sin A into 1 plus cos A, right? Now what can be done here? 1 plus 1 means what? 2 plus 2 cos A or not, it is divided by sin A into 1 plus cos A. We can reduce the steps, but still I am writing in expounded form. Anyway, 2 into 1 plus cos A, right? You take here 2 common outside. So what remains inside? 1 plus cos A. Here sin A into 1 plus cos A, right? Now 1 plus cos A, 1 plus cos A, they get cancelled or not? So what remains here? 2 remains into 1 upon sin A, right? This will be equal to what? 2 into cosec A or not? Cosec A. So this will be equal to RHS. Hence proved. So 2 cosec A. Okay. Now uh, just let us come to third one. This I am leaving it to you. Try to prove it on your own. If you get correct proof, then you can comment. Otherwise, I'll show you.